Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to count the domain email IDs, how many we have. Okay, I will show you, I will create one table and I am going to insert the data. If you see here, I go and refresh table and like test table here. So I am having these many domains. So I want to know how many Gmail IDs we have, how many Yahoo email account has. Just like I need gmail.com to yahoo.com like three. So how many we have? I need to count it. Okay, this is my requirement. So let's see how we can achieve that. Select email ID from text. So this is the okay. Now here I need to one count. Now, so first of all, to identify this, we need to identify this at the dates and we need to group it. Okay, like the domain wise. Okay, first, how we can remove all these letters and everything. For that, first I need to identify the at the date symbol. Okay, for that I am going to use char index. So I'm passing the by. So it going to tell us where the Ardite symbol is going to stand. So I want comma here. So here in this email ID, Ardite is going to having at the ninth, seventh place, here eighth place, here sixth place. So like that, seven and eight. Okay. So now I want to calculate the length of these email IDs. So for that we have one function is there, start comma and length. So email ID. Okay. So let's see that how it goes. Okay, total it is having 16 characters. Okay, total email ID is okay. Now I want to start, okay, from at Gmail, okay, from after at the date. So what I'm going to do here, plus one. For that we are having substring function. Substring open. What is that email from where we need to identify that letters and replace everything means so email ID comma. So it is going to fetch the records from the email ID column. Okay, it is going to identify from eighth place. From eighth place onwards, it is going to display all these letters. Okay, up to 16 here. Okay, now close that bracket. So I will tell you here one thing. Select substring hello. Okay, from where e okay comma 2. So here I need to pass it in arrow. So it means in the hello symbol, it is going to start E, okay, and after that it is going to replace two letters, okay. Sorry, here I need to pass from starting position 2, okay, I need to position at 4, Okay, this is the correct letter. Okay. So for that I no need to pass the string values. This is enough. If you see here, starting from E, it is going to display the 4 letters. If I replace this one, sorry, I'm going to replace in the hello, it is going to miss H. So this is the parameter. Here I am passing the same email ID. In the email ID, it is going to identify the 10th, I mean, at the rate character plus one, it is adding plus one. After that, it is going to identify length. So from that onwards, it is going to identify that letter. So here I am passing the email in the place of hello, I am passing the email ID column. In the two, here I am passing the at the rate plus one character. Here I am passing the length. So that is how I am going to extract the data. Okay. Here if you see here, yeah, I have successfully extracted the details. Now I want to count group by. So what I am doing here as domains. So I am giving for all this as a one alias name. Okay. So now I am converting this as a substring. So select the domains, comma, count from where. So I need to, so now what I am doing, I am selecting all these select as a inner query. So as like what is the email ID from text like emails. Okay, I'm naming it all these inner queries as a emails table. Okay, select from emails alias name just like okay. Now group by domains. See, Facebook is having one, gmail.com is having one, hotmail is having one, rediffmail is having one, text has a, see every email ID is having only one. So this is how you can group, and you have to, I mean, you have to use the string function. In this function only I have used 3 functions. One is substring, one is characters index, one is length. Okay, so using all these functions I have achieved my requirement. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.